Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow story reminders notifications on Snapchat using the latest updated settings. If you've been missing story updates from friends or creators, this setting is what brings those reminders back, so you never miss out again. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device-level permissions and controls are managed. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as apps and notifications or something similar. Now, from the list of apps, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open all the app-specific settings for Snapchat on your phone. Next, tap on notifications. This section controls everything related to how Snapchat sends alerts to your device. Here's where it gets important. Tap on notification categories. This option allows you to customize different types of notifications individually instead of turning everything on or off at once. Scroll through the list until you find story reminders. Once you see it, tap on it. Now simply make sure the toggle is turned on. You can also adjust additional settings here like sound, vibration, or whether it shows on your lock screen, depending on your preference. That's